Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're going to open up some best of Matchbox models and some more Matchbox cars I bought for my collection. The first best of Matchbox model we have for today is the legendary Porsche 911 GT3. Our next car is an epic police vehicle. It's the BMW M5 Police. Up next, we have the very cool green Mercedes-Benz CLS 500. Here we have the Volkswagen T2 Bus. This is one of my favorite new Matchbox models, the 2016 Chevy Camaro Convertible. I'm a big fan of this monster 68 Ford Mustang. And last but not least, we have the 2015 Ford F-150 Contractor truck. So there we have all of our brand new Matchbox cars for today. If you guys want to see more Matchbox cars on the channel, let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. The deadline for my Hot Wheels car giveaway is this Friday, January 12th, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.